Hello, my name is Hans Lois Salit from CPA 11S5. We're talking about engineering and design process. But first, what's this engineering design process? This is a process is used for defining the issues and finding out the solutions. But first, what is the problem? So we need to define a problem. So the problem here is in the Philippines, especially in different areas such as rural or urban areas is traffic. So traffic here in the Philippines is a huge issue because problems in density of vehicles, commuting time it can be hinder the ideal time of arrival. So in the research of TomTom, the traffic index report rated in Metro Manila is the worst the word of for metro area. So makita natin is Davao City, 49% congestion level. It has a average time of 45 minutes and 30 seconds per 10 kilometers in 2023 compared to 24 minutes and 50 seconds in 2022. It has a congestion level of 52%. Galing din kay J. Hilutin, cost ng traffic is due to overpopulation, poor infrastructure, corruption, and limited regional autonomy. This is another references. So, brainstorm possible solutions. Do you have two possible solutions pero unahin na muna natin yung road fixing. Road fixing expansion from the word itself, we expand the road by using constructions and other materials. Kailangan nito ng with his it needs 2 to 3 million dollars per mile for rural and 4 to 5 million per per mile in urban. So, mas malaki yung hatak nito sa prices kumpara sa sa another. Pero muna natin yung road fixing. Another is implementation can take up to several years. Also, it can al- it also contribute to traffic. Yung nito ng road fixing. Another is traffic lights. Pag-usapan natin yung traffic lights. Sa traffic lights, meron tayong 8K to 180K. Ito yung yung prices nila. And also it can be implemented fast up to 3 to 12 months. Ito yung mga best solutions natin. Syempre naman pag-uusapan natin yung traffic lights kasi mas mura to tsaka mas mabilis yung implementation nito. Pero di tayo magbabase sa isang traffic lights lang. Isang uri na normal na traffic lights kung saan gumagamit siya mismo ng kanyang timer-based system. So we need to improve it by using the smart traffic system kung saan mag-adjust siya ng signal timing base sa density or dami ng mga kotse do sa kalsada. So ito ang prototype. Yung prototype is a small scale version muna. Yung prototype na to ay gumagamit ng LED lights, camera, tsaka ng microcontroller. Yung camera mismo nakakonekta sa ESP32 which is the microcontroller. Nagamit tayo ng by pins para makakonekta sa mga ilaw. Yung ilaw ay gagamit ng pula, orange, tsaka green to indicate the current status or indicate the status na signal for the road to for the for vehicles to move. So ito yung twist, is the twist. Imbes na gagamit tayo ng by sa conventional way na pag-implement ng traffic lights. Gagamit tayo ng algorithm ng AI which means gagamit tayo ng ng camera to look at the vehicle. As the vehicle comes or nagtipon-tipon yung vehicles, i-calculate niya mismo yung dami ng vehicles 2 seconds na kailangan niyang ibigay doon sa sa lights. Magbase sa dami ng vehicles para mag-indicate siya ng light. Sa ano naman, test evaluate, yung prototype na 'to ay gumagamit na ng basic algorithm base, kung saan gagamit na siya sa dami ng vehicles, hindi yung gaano kalaki yung vehicles. Malaki rin kasi yung may epekto kasi yung ano, yung laki ng vehicles kung saan na pag-uusapan natin yung ano, yung weight niya tsaka yung speed. 'Pag malaki yung vehicle, siyempre mabigat siya. As na mabigat siya, yung ano niya, acceleration mabagal. Example na dito yung mga ano, bus tsaka trucks. As you can see, during traffics, mas mabagal sila gumalaw kumpara mismo dun sa mga ano, sa mga maliliit na vehicles. So, the redesign is obviously the advanced recognition features para makakalculate na maayos mismo ah, ang oras ng traffic. Pati yung advanced algorithm na rin para ma-complement yung advanced recognition. Para mas better yung efficiency tsaka calculation at implementation ng project itself. So, usapang ano naman, advanced recognition, maggamit din siya ng ano, ng better way to calculate na hindi lang basta bumabase na siya sa isang algorithm lang ba. Pag mag-aano niya siya, patitignan niya rin niya yung ano, ibang possible ano, fe- possible outcomes such as na unti lang yung ano, unti lang yung vehicles or walang vehicles sa kabilang section pero nakapula pa rin, automatic na siya magi-green. Kaya automatic na rin magpupula in case na may vehicles sa kabilang section na dadaan or may paparating para iwas ano, disgrasya. So, the results are, the using this project manage the traffic in an efficient way, but it doesn't fix the traffic problem. It only manage or efficiently manage the traffic in a efficient and formal or better way instead of using the conventional timer system. Thank you.